Hello friends. Now we have completed introduction part, divide and conquer strategy, greedy method, dynamic programming, graph algorithm. Now we'll talk about in chapter 7 backtracking and branch and bound algorithm. Okay. Now what is backtracking? Often the original problem translates to searching for a specific node, path or pattern in the associated graph. If the graph contains a large number of nodes and particularly if it is infinite, it may be wasteful to build it explicitly in computer storage before applying one of the search techniques we have encountered so far. In such a situation, we use an implicit graph. Okay, so important term, implicit graph. This is one for which we have available a description of its nodes and edges. So relevant parts of the graph can be built as the search progresses. In this way, computing time is saved whenever the search succeeds before the entire graph has been constructed. The economy in storage space can also be dramatic, especially when nodes that have already been searched can be discarded, making room for subsequent nodes to be explored. If the graph involved is infinite, such a technique offers our only hope of exploring it at all. In its basic form, backtracking resembles a depth first step search in a directed graph. The graph concerned is usually a tree, or at least it contains no cycle. So a little bit theory is there. Now we'll talk about the how to solve what is backtracking and how to solve one problem using backtracking, or solving knapsack problem using backtracking. Next, whatever its structure, the graph exists only implicitly. The aim of the search is to find solutions to some problem. We do this by building partial solutions as the search proceeds. Such partial solutions limit the regions in such a complete solutions may be found. Generally speaking, when the search begins, nothing is known about the solutions to the problem. Each move along an edge of the implicit graph corresponds to adding a new element to a partial solutions, that is, to narrowing down the remaining possibilities for a complete solution. The search is successful if, proceeding in this way, solution can be completely defined. In this case, the algorithm may either stop or continue looking for alternative solutions. On the other hand, the search is unsuccessful if at some stage the partial solution constructed so far cannot be completed. In this case, the search backs up exactly like a depth first search. So boring theory is there. Now we'll talk about one problem, that is the knapsack problem using backtracking. Handling knapsack problem using backtracking. Now already you know what is knapsack. The knapsack can carry a weight not exceeding W. Our aim is to fill the knapsack in a way that maximizes the value of the included objects while respecting the capacity constraint. Here we can't take fraction. We can't take fraction of the item. Now suppose 4 items are there. Now we just see the backtracking problem. Let four items are there, and our knapsack can contain only 8 kilograms, for example. Now 4 items are there, 1 2 3 4, and the weights are 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms, 4 kilograms, 5 kilograms, and values are say 3 rupees, 5 rupees, 6 rupees, 10 rupees, and so on. Okay, now here number of items are unlimited, means first item unlimited first items are there, unlimited second items are there, unlimited fourth items third items are there, unlimited fourth items are there. Okay, and we can't break the item. Now suppose what you can do, we can take 4 first item, or we can take 2 second item and 1 first item. We can take 2 third item, because our maximum weight 8, so 4 2 4 third item is 4 plus 4 8, so total value will be 12. Or we can take fourth first 1 first item and 1 second item. Okay, so in this way so many permutation and combinations are there. and if this value is very high, so and for that we have to the possible permutation combinations competition is very high, so we can create one tree, and this particular tree is implicit tree. Implicit tree means what? It's a partial tree, partial generated tree. So if you follow up on particular path, and if it is promising path, just go through this particular path. If sometimes it is not promising, then return it back, go for the another path, or search another path. Clear? Now, or explore another path. Now first one, this is the root. Okay, now we can take first item, that is second, and its value is 3. Okay, what you can do, we can take first another first item, so 2 comma 2, that means total value is what? 3 plus 3, that is 6. We can take one more item because it is less than the total value. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 kilogram is less than 8 kilogram. Okay, so and total value is what? 3 plus 3 plus 3, it is 9. We can take one more first item, so 2 plus 2 plus 2, so 4 first item, total kilogram is 8, and total value is what? 12. So 3 into 4, it is 12. Now we can't take another first item, so we can't take 2 comma 2 comma 2 because total is what? 8 gram, but it can carry only 8 kilograms. Okay, so we can take another first item, so return it back. Now 3 first item, 2 plus 2 plus 2, total 6. Now can you include second item? So 6 plus 3, it is 9. So 9 is more than 8. So we can't take second item, we can't take third item, we can't take fourth item. So return it back. Okay, backtrack, return back. Now we can take first item, 2 plus 2 4. Now we can take one second item, so 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7, and total value 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5, it is 11, and this value 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7, 7 is less than 8. Okay, so it is possible. Now can you take one second first value, so 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2, can you take one second item? No, don't do. Can you take another second item? No. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, we can't take because maximum capacity is 8 kilogram. So return it back. Next, can you take 2 first item and 1 third item? So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, yes, and total values are 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6, it is 12. Now can you take another second item, first item, 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2? No, because total weight will be the 10, but 10 exceeds the maximum capacity. Okay, so we can't take any other item, so return it back. So we have explored this particular part. Next, one first item, and can you take another second item? Yes, we can take. So total weight is what? 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5 means what? 5 plus 3, it is 8, total value is 8. Okay, so weight semicolon value, each and every note. Okay, so 8 value. Next, can you take one first item, 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3 comma 2, can you take another first item? Yes, but we will not, because already we have checked this one, 2 comma 2 comma 3 already we have checked, so no need to recheck the thing. So 2 comma 3 comma 2 is possible, but we should not, because already we have checked this particular combination. Now can you check another 2 comma 3 comma 3? Yes, so total kilogram is 8, so total values 3 plus 3, it is 10, 3 plus 3 means what? Second, another 2 second items are there, total value 10 plus 1 first one, so 10 plus 3 13. Okay, so can you take another 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 2? No, we can't, because it exits. Return back. Okay, so can you take 2 comma 3 comma 4? No, because 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9, so can't take 9 kilograms, because maximum we can take 8 kilograms. Clear? Similarly, first item 2, can you take fourth one? Yes, 4 plus 2 6, 6 is less than 8, and total value 6 plus 3, it is 9. Okay, can you take another first item, 2 comma 4 comma 2? We can, but we should not, because already we have explored it. Can you take another second item, 4 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 3? No, because it is more than 8. Okay, backtrack. Can you take the fourth item? Yes, first 2 and 5. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 kilogram is less than 8, we can take, and the value is what? 10 plus 3, it is 13. Okay, can you take another 2 item? First item. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. We can't take. Return back. Okay. Next, first item is a second item, 3. Can you take another first item? 2, 3, yes, but we should not because we have already explored. Can you take another second item? Yes, 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6, less than 8. Total value is 5 plus 5, 10. Can you take another first item, 2, 3, 2? We can, but we should not because already we have explored. Can you take another second item, 3, 3, 9? 9 is more than 8. So we can't take the second item one more. Okay, next. First item, third. Can you take second item, third item? Yes, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 is less than 8. We can take, and the value is 6 plus 5, it is 11. Okay. Next. Can you take any other item? No. 7 plus 2, it is 9. 9 is more than 8. We can't take any other. Next. Can you take second item, fourth item? Yes, 3 plus 5. 3, 5. Yes, we can take. Total is 8, and the value is 15. 10, 3. The value of 3 is 5, and the value of this one is 10. So 10 plus 5, it is 15. Okay. Now can you take one fourth item? Yes, 4, 6. 4 is value is 6. Can you take another first item? Yes, we can take, but we should not because already we have explored. Can you take the second item, 4, 3? We can, but we should not because already we have checked this 3, 4. Can you check another 4? Yes, 4, 4. Total value is 4, 4. 6 plus 6, it is 12. Okay. Can you take another? No. Okay. So it is full. The bag is full. Next, 5. Yes, we can take one single 5. The value is 10. Can you take another first item? 5 plus 2, 7. We can, but we should not because already explored this one. Can you take the second item, 5 plus 3? From here, 5 plus 3. We can take, but we should not because already we have explored it. Can you take fourth item and third item? Can you take fourth item and third item? 5 plus 4, 9. We can't take because the maximum capacity is 8. Can you take another second item? No. And stop the process and return it back. Now we can see here by applying constraint, okay, by applying constraint and by avoiding the recomputation, we can create one small tree. It's a partial tree. So it's not a full tree. It is not a explicitly it is not a full tree. Means full leaf and nodes are there. No, not all the leaves and nodes are there. It follows. It just check each and every constraint and it avoids the repetition. And through this, using backtracking, we can create a small tree. We can recite, or that tree is recite. It may be recites. We can store this particular information in a primary memory. And if you can see this, but if you see this particular tree, the maximum value, if these are the value accumulated value, the maximum value is this one, 15. So this particular combination. So if you select this item, second item and fourth item, the total value is 8 kilograms and the maximum value is, total weight is 8 kilogram and maximum value is 50. Okay, so this is the best combination. This is the optimal solution to identify the items we should carry. Okay, and that is a backtracking, and that is the end of this particular video. Thank you very much.